I'm going to review the best ATV soundbar in the market for this year.
We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the update prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel.
At number 1, Boss Audio Systems BRR-C27. This soundbar comes with a built-in Bluetooth feature that makes it possible for you to stream music from notable online platforms like SoundCloud, iTunes, Reverb Nation, Spotify, Pandora, and others. It features a Class D amplifier with 500 watt capacity to bring the sounds to the highest pitch. In addition, it has dome lights installed to help illuminate the surroundings in the nighttime. Apart from that, there are preamp outputs which you can connect to several systems. The added aux inputs let you link the speaker to other devices like mobile phones, iPods, and MP3 players to play music. At number 2, Bazooka BP B24-G2. This is a superb speaker that has a controller for manipulating the dashboard and also controls some features on the speaker. It comes with an app which offers a more detailed approach to controlling the function of the speaker. There's an audio sync technology installed that works to connect a mobile device to party bars. Also, it has an amplifier already built in to give waves to the produced sound all the way. The speaker has a USB port for charging, and it also works as a drive for music playback. It includes LED lights with party colors and patterns. At number 3, Wet Sound Stealth 10. This speaker makes deep sound and amplifies it with the integrated amplifier, which is there to add depth to the music being played. It is 34 inches long with variety of use. This is because of its size and portability. You can seamlessly carry it in your golf cart, backpack, and other places that can accommodate a device of its size. It includes a Bluetooth function that simplifies the issue of connecting to other devices, as it will enable you to play music from connected devices. The speaker package contains 2 tweeters and 8 full-range drivers that are 3 inches long.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.